So a small video about the fuel line connectors when replacing the filter or doing some other work on the 2.0 TDCI or similar, some other vehicle with similar connectors. So you don't have to break anything and you don't have to use any force. This orange line, well, this is the return line to the tank, and this orange line, the connector opens so that you slightly squeeze the tabs on the below of the connector together and pull it up like this. This top part rises and the connector is detachable now. When you assemble it together again, just push the connector back and push the orange bit down. The main line is this white tab. It can be very tight. This is not tight now. Just push down and wiggle out. Comes off. That's it. No need for tools. Maybe stiff thumb or something, but no need for tools or to break anything. Thanks.